superstar.
That's right. Now it's time to announce the winners of the subtitles in the fashion show. Best dress, male, female. Best personality, male, female. And to do the honors, I would like to invite on the stage yes, can we have all the contestants of the fashion show on the stage? Can we have the music? Looking absolutely gorgeous and the guys are looking absolutely handsome.
Alright, audience, हम यहाँ पे चुपचाप इसलिए बैठे क्योंकि हमें लगा था कि आप लोग लड़कियों को देख के और लड़कियाँ आप लोग बॉयज को देख के कुछ तो शोर मचाओगे यार, क्या कर रहे हो? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 3 वर्ड्स आपके लिए कहना चाहूंगा, ऐसे नहीं होता। Exactly. तो चलिए, here we go, और मैं बता दूं आपको।
That's right. Now it's time to give away the subtitles, and to do the honors, I would like to invite on the stage Mrs. Rekha Singh, HR Head, Kite, and Dr. Bhavesh Chauhan, Director, ABES IT. Can we have a huge round of applause for our judges? Come on everyone, keep clapping! It's time to give away the first title of the evening. And the first title is Best Dress. Best Dress Male. Any guess? Audience, come on!
Yeah.
Congratulations. And And now it's time to announce the next category, Best Personality title. And the Best Personality male goes to Harshit. Come on everyone, जोरदार तालियां. Well, the guy with the best personality, and I must say he has an amazing personality.
ऑलराइट गर्ल्स, कहाँ पे हैं आप लोग? अगर हम गर्ल्स की बात करें तो यहाँ पे बेस्ट पर्सनालिटी का टाइटल जाता है किसको? गर्ल्स, आपकी आवाज आनी चाहिए. एनी गेसेस? आई टेल यू, नेम इज
आस्था.
आस्था.
आस्था के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Congratulations to all the title winners. Can we have a huge round of applause for the title winners and also for our esteemed judges? Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And now it's time to announce the 10 finalists. लगता है सबकी दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो रही हैं. So let me ask, how are you feeling out here?
I'm feeling excited.
Excited? And what about you?
Feeling sexy.
Oh! Wow, okay. And what about this lovely girl over here? कैसा लग रहा है? डर लग रहा है? आपको लग रहा है कि आपका नाम अभी आने वाला है या नहीं?
I think no.
Oh, come on! Well, it's time to announce the 10 finalists over here. And the first finalist, female, is Snigdha, contestant number 14.
Next is Varun, contestant number 10.
The next contestant is contestant number 1515, Sanya.
All right, perfect. Now here we go one more time. Next we have जिनका टारगेट, यार आवाज नहीं आ रही, लाउड बोलो. Next we have Lakshya, contestant number 31. थैंक यू सो मच. यानी कि कंटेस्टेंट नंबर 3 लक्ष्य ने ये टैग ले लिया है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव
Yes, contestant number 10, Nimisha. Can we hear it for the very confident and sizzling Nimisha?
next we have contestant number 9 Momin.
And the next finalist finalist is none other than contestant number 8, Simran.
सामने बॉयज कितना खुश हो रहे हैं, जरा शादी हो रही है उनकी। हाँ, नेक्स्ट वी हैव नंबर 15 चक्षु।
Well, I think we already have 9 finalists, and it's time
two.
for
It's
the
last
final
बोल दूं क्या?
contestant, and last but not the least, the final contestant is lucky number 7, Soumya.
बॉयज आवाज आनी चाहिए यार।
Well, she's the last contestant in the female category.
और अभी लास्ट की हम बात करें तो इनका लास्ट हो चुका, लेकिन मेरा लास्ट अभी बाकी है। और मेरा लास्ट कौन है? सचिन ने क्या मारा था? सिक्सर नंबर 6 हैदर।
Wow! Wonderful. Give me a huge round of applause.
थैंक यू सो मच। और मैं कहना चाहूंगा जो लोग अभी बचे हैं, प्लीज आप लोग वापसी हो जाइए। और मैं आपको कहना चाहूंगा प्लीज विकेट द फ्लोर, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, वो चीज मैटर करती है। पार्टिसिपेशन इज द ओनली स्पिरिट। जीतना मैटर कभी नहीं करता। मैं लाइफ में कभी नहीं जीता, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, हमेशा हारा हूँ। लेकिन कभी कभी कुछ काम ऐसे हम कर जाते हैं जो हमारी हार बहुत ज्यादा आगे जाके जीत में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। तो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस। नेवर एवर गिव अप, नेवर बैक डाउन। So here we go with our top 10 finalists. Question answers round.
That's right. It is one of the most anticipated and, of course, a difficult round. But I'm sure all our talented contestants are geared up for this very, very important and decision-making round. The talent, of course, and the question-answer round.
और मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा क्वेश्चंस हमारे जो भी यहाँ पे पुट अप होंगे वो होंगे बाय आर जजेस, और आपको उसका आंसर करना है बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, बिंदास, इजी, calm down, and all the very best to all of you girls. You are looking so beautiful, and boys you are looking handsome hunk. So here we go, sir. Shall we start now?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
और यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड। ऑडियंस, उसके लिए मुझे आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए। बस कुछ देर बाकी है और थोड़ी पागलपंती भी जरूरी है। कम ऑन बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, मेक सम नॉइज फॉर रिवैम्प 2K15।
Okay, good evening, contestants. How are you?
आप सबकी आवाज वहां तक जानी चाहिए। हाउ आर यू सर ने पूछा है। कम ऑन, यू शुड बी एनर्जेटिक।
Louder!
You all are looking very lovely, very handsome, very beautiful, respectively, boys and girls, by the way. So my question is to Snigdha. Who's Snigdha? Okay, my question to you is, if you had an enormous amount of cash today, how would you spend it?
Thank you for the question, sir. If I had an enormous amount of cash today, sorry, actually I'm having a back stroke today. I would donate half of the amount for a social cause, and rest half of the amount I'll buy gifts for the people I love, and rest I'll save for my further studies, and yes, some amount for my bank balance. Thank you.
Lovely answer. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. And here comes the next question. And this question is for contestant.
Let's see. We are still waiting.
Hello, good evening, my future leaders. You're looking gorgeous, ladies and handsome boys. How are you? Don't feel nervous. Anybody who's feeling nervous, raise your hand. Thank you. I want this to happen over here. Question for Clinton. Whom the question is? My question goes to Varun. Lucky number 10. The question, do you think that the youth of today faces more pressure of performance than the previous generation? Can I repeat? The question is, do you think that the youth of today faces more pressure of performance than the previous generation?
Good evening, ma'am. I think yes, there's more competition because there's more public awareness, and competition is because more public awareness.
ऑडियंस अगर आप ताली बजाएंगे ना तो मेरे ख्याल से आपके पैसे खर्च नहीं होने वाले हैं। सामने वाले का
Thank you, Varun. Please, a huge round of applause for his try. He's tried best. Thank you.
All right, let's wait and watch. We are still waiting for the next question. ठीक है? और अगर हम बात करें तो अभी टाइम हो चुका है 9:05:31। और यहाँ पे चल रहा है फैशन वॉक चल रहा है, फैशन वीक भी चल रहा है, हर चीज़ चल रही है। फैशनेबल गर्ल्स हैं, बॉयज़ हैं, आप हैं, मैं हूँ, और यू हैव टू के 155 है। कृष्णा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में चल रहा है ये सब। तो
May I ask the question, please?
यस सर प्लीज़।
Okay, my question is to Sanya. Sanya, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
If you had 30 minutes a day to do anything you wanted, what would you do and why?
Thank you for the question, sir. Good evening, everybody. Nowadays, people don't take time to think about themselves. So I'll take those 30 minutes to think about myself, the things I've done the whole day, the mistakes I've made, and how can I mend it, how can I make the most of it the next day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanya. Good answer.
All right, come on, can we have a huge round of applause?
Hello, Laksh. Number 3 contestant. Wish you all the best for the answer. And the question is, if there is one thing you could do to change the world, what would it be? I am repeating the question. If there is one thing you would like to change the world, what would be that change?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. I will spread peace all over around so that there will no disease, no war, and no crime. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
लड़के को स्वाइन फ्लू की चिंता हो रही है।
Good evening, Nimisha.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm great.
Okay. So my question to you is, what do you think should be preferred? Casual and formal, or only casual?
Good evening, everybody. I seriously think that casual and formal have equal importance in their fields. Everything in life is not easy and casual, so formal is necessary, but you cannot always be formal. Sometimes you just have to be yourself, and thus casual is equally necessary. So I would prefer casual and formal both. Thank you.
Wonderful, confident answer.
Well done. And the next question goes to
My question goes to Moomin, contestant number 9.
All the best.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Moomin. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
This is a very important question which I'm asking today. Ask it very seriously and from the heart. The question is fashion responsible for molestation? Very important question. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. From my point of view, fashion is not responsible for molestation because it's up to the mentality of the people that how they think about the others. Because as you can see in the villages, the molestation cases are also occurring. But I don't think that there is no fashion or occurring at the villages. No fashion or that's it.
Thank you, Moomin. Please pay a huge round of applause to him. Great answer.
Well done, Moomin. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Great answer. My question is to Simran. May you please step out? Give her the mic, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Sir, fine.
Feel confident?
I'm a little bit scared.
Why? You should not be scared.
Sir, first you're nervous.
No, not at all. You are doing great.
Thank you.
Should be very confident. Okay, relax, just chill out and give me an answer. So your question comes here. What would you like to read as the headline in tomorrow's newspaper?
Thanks for the question, sir. Sir, hope you know terrorism and corruption occurring in India and abroad India. Apart from India to other countries also. Peace, just peace, no war. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
All right. Sir, anything else you want to ask?
Yeah, of course. This is my turn. You're doing very well, anchors. Thank you. Creating magic in the environment. Tushar, I'm saying to you.
Ma'am, I thought कि you were just kidding to me because I was little bit scared कि क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. चलिए, thank you so much.
I know this is also your fun. This is fun making things. Please, I would like to welcome Chakshu. Chakshu, contestant number 15. How are you feeling, Chakshu, at this moment?
Ma'am, good evening everyone. Ma'am, I am feeling awesome.
And what's the meaning of your name, Chakshu?
Ma'am, meaning of my name is eyes.
Whose eyes?
Everyone's eyes.
About your eyes?
Yes, ma'am. My eyes also mean Chakshu, and everyone sitting here, eyes also mean Chakshu.
Okay, let me ask you a question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your style icon and why? Who is your style icon and why?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Ma'am, my style icon is Dwayne Johnson. He is my style icon because I feel that he gives a statement through his style. He actually delivers what he wants to show to the world. He is confident in whatever he does. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chakshu. Thank you so much.
Soumya, will you please step out? Soumya, how are you doing?
I'm great.
You seems to be very popular among the students.
I guess so too.
Okay, that's very nice. It's very nice to be popular. Okay. So, are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what can women learn from men?
Sir, I would say absolutely nothing. Women are better than men much everything that men can do, and we can do it in heels. Thank you.
Thank you.
Contestant number 6, Heather. Heather, आपके नाम की तो मूवी भी आ गई है. Have you seen that movie?
Yes, of course.
Can you please say something about Heather movie? Why, you liked it or not liked it?
I've liked it.
It's not a question, but if you can answer this in one line.
Well, perfect acting of
Perfect acting of Shahid Kapoor. Great. The question goes to you, Heather. Do you find it easy or difficult to say no? Do you find it difficult or easy to say no?
But it is more important to know that what the problem is he's telling to me. That I would know him.
Don't feel nervous. Take your time and then answer.
Ma'am, I would want to know what problem he's telling to me. That's why. उसके बाद. That's
Heather, I will tell you this. There are so many fouls on you. It's not your fault. Amrita has done foul and that girl also did foul. So just relax, chill out. Take deep breath. Think for some time. When you are ready, then only you answer.
Ma'am, it is more important that what he is trying to say and what my mood is. Excuse.
Great. Thank you so much, Heather. Thank you. But he has given the answer that what my mood is and what the situation is and what kind of problem the person is telling to me. Then only I'll decide. Hope I am clear. This is what you were trying to say. Thank you so much.
Can we have a huge round of applause for all the wonderful contestants over here? I think they have done a great job and they have done their best to answer all the questions. So that was really, really wonderful. Very, very talented and bright
और
students, I must say.
पांचों मेरे साथ आपकी आवाज हमारी ऑडियंस तक जानी चाहिए. गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज, प्रॉब्लम्स गलतियां हर कोई इंसान करता है, हम भी करते हैं. स्टिल आई एम डूइंग. लेकिन 3 cheers फॉर द सक्सेसफुल शो, यानी कि जो आपने किया अपने बिहाफ पर. हिप हिप, आपकी आवाज सामने तक. हिप हिप, हिप हिप. Alright, I know one thing, there is no person exist in this entire world, boys, who can make you feel inferior without your own consent. Please, leave the space. और कुछ देर बाद I will tell you the results. Boys, मुझे goodies देनी है, मैं नीचे आ जाऊँ आपके पास? नीचे आऊँ क्या? चलो, alright. आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार, आप सबको मेरा गुड इवनिंग, आप सबको मेरा सलाम वालेकुम कश्मीर. कैसे हैं आप लोग? लोग मेरे पास 2 गुडीज हैं, 2 मिनट की टाइम भी मेरे पास है. मुझे बॉय चाहिए एक फटाफट से, नीचे से जल्दी से. कम ऑन, चलिए. तुषार आपके साथ है, मेरे साथ कौन है अभी? मोहित. मोहित, क्या करते हैं आप? हाँ जी, मैं बोलूँ क्या करते हो? स्टडी. अच्छा, लड़कियाँ क्यों बताते हो? कुछ नहीं, समझोगे भी नहीं आप. ये गुड़ी आपके लिए, पकड़ो फटाफट से, जल्दी से. एक क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला हूँ आपसे. यू हैव 30 seconds. उसमें आपको यस नो, हाँ ना, नेवर नहीं बोलना. कुछ भी बोलना है. यस नो, हाँ ना, नेवर नहीं का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना और एक चीज रिपीट नहीं करना. कुछ भी बोलना है. लाइक मैंने पूछा मौसम कैसा है, मजा आ रहा है, शायद जीत पाओगे, माइट बी. यस नो, हाँ ना का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना. यस नो, हाँ ना, नेवर नहीं. 3, 2. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
शादी हो गई?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
हुई या नहीं?
नहीं.
जाओ फिर फटाफट से. गुडीज वापसी मुझे. 2 जने बॉयज फटाफट से. 1 बॉय, ये जल्दी से. आपका नाम?
विक्रांत.
खुश हूँ उतने.
मे बी.
शुरू करें?
यस.
शादी हो गई?
मे बी.
एक चीज रिपीट नहीं करनी, ठीक है? पापा कैसे हैं?
शायद.
घर में कैसे हैं सारे?
पता नहीं.
मुझे गर्ल चाहिए. गर्ल फटाफट से. आप मेरे साथ, मैं ही पीछे आ जाता हूँ. गर्ल्स, आप लोगों ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया. कैसे हैं आप लोग?
शायद ठीक.
अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, बात करनी है फाइनली. ठीक है, मजा आ रहा है आज आपको?
मे बी.
यार अभी स्टार्ट थोड़ा नहीं किया है मैंने. चलो फिर भी आप बहुत होशियार हैं, उसको रख लो एक, ठीक है, मेरी तरफ से. ब्रदर मोहित का है मेरे साथ. यार ये पीछे मुझे जिसकी आवाज तेज आएगी उसके लिए गुड़ी है मेरे पास। गोयल साहब, ठीक है, चलो और आप लोग मेरे साथ 3 cheers, हिप 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 हिप। ऑलराइट, फिलहाल अभी टाइम हो चुका है आगे बढ़ने का, मेरे पास ज्यादा टाइम आज नहीं है और इसलिए मैं आपको कहना चाहूंगा कि हम जो भी करते हैं बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं और आपको भी हर चीज के अंदर अपना 100% देना होता है, राइट अमृता?
Absolutely
here we go.
correct. All right, yes. So we have some wonderful people out here.
अमृता एक काम करते हैं, ठीक है, अभी मेरे पास टाइम है, मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि टाइम नहीं बचा, मेरे से 2 मिनट आगे आ जाओ। यू नो व्हाट, शादी के बाद क्या होता है? शादी के बाद पता है,
अरे इनको क्या पता होगा,
नहीं,
इन्होंने
मैं-
शादी का लड्डू भी नहीं चखा है।
मैं कुछ बातें आपसे ही पूछ लेता हूँ। शादी के बाद पता है आपको, स्वर्ग में बॉयज अकेले जाते हैं, लड़कियां साथ क्यों नहीं आती? पता है क्यों?
कैसे? नहीं।
तब तो स्वर्ग बोलते हैं उसको, लड़कियां वहां साथ नहीं आती। यानी कि शादी के बाद, तो शादी एक ऐसा लड्डू है जो खाए वो भी पछताए और जो ना खाए वो भी
भी पछताए।
एक डायलॉग मुझे याद आ रहा है, बॉयज कुछ लोग होंगे जिनकी शादी हो चुकी है, यार हाथ खड़े करो ईमानदारी से। 1 2 3 4, सभी क्यों गई भाई? घरवाली शादी वाली जो ऑफिशियली होती है, पहले वाली की बात नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है। देखो, मांग भरने की सजा, मांग भरने की सजा कुछ इस कदर पा रहा हूं कि मांग पूरी करते खुद मांग मांग के खा रहा हूं। तो यार शादी वादी नहीं, गर्लफ्रेंड बनाओ, उन्हें घुमाओ, डिस्क ले जाओ और एंजॉय कराओ, उसके बाद दूसरी बताओ। बाकी मजाक करो, वैसे कभी करना मत, अच्छी बात नहीं होती। और फिलहाल अभी टाइम हो चुका है 9:40 और मौसम बहुत अच्छा है और मौसम है बहुत सुहाना, इसलिए मुझे आपसे चाहिए बात करने का छोटा सा बहाना और मेरे पास है गुडी बैग्स का भरपूर खजाना। लेकिन अगर आपको है ये पाना तो आपको होगा मेरे साथ मेरे फ्लोर पे आना। और यहाँ बजा हुआ है रिवैम्प 2K15 इन द जोन ऑफ कृष्णा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज। तो ईशान आपके साथ, अमृता मेरे साथ।
Now it's time for announcing the winners of the fashion show. But before we do that, can we have all our contestants back on the stage? And can we have a huge round of applause? Can we have all the finalists back on the stage?
Music, music, music. Music, नीचे. Thanks.
And now to do the honors, I would like to invite our judges on the stage. Can we have Dr. Bhavesh Chauhan, Director, ABES IT, Ms. Rekha Singh, HR Head, KIET, and Professor Dr. Gautam Chatterjee, Director, Krishna Engineering College. Can we have a huge round of applause for all our judges? And now, Ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, it's time to announce the runner-ups of this wonderful and absolutely rocking fashion show. And the first runner-up is male contestant number 15, Chakshu.
Ooh.
Come on, get your huge round of applause. And Talia, let's make some noise. Congratulations. The runner-up, male. Absolutely handsome and rocking Chakshu, contestant number 15. And the next runner-up, female, is contestant number 10, Nimisha.
Is my sound. Is my sound.
And now it's time to announce